I was given a chance to go on a mission trip to Papua New Guinea, and it was definitely a life-changing experience. Pero sa mission na to, masasabi ko na mas pinatapang ako ng Diyos. Daming experiences, from the people na nakakasalamuha ko hanggang sa mga lugar na napupuntahan ko. True enough, this is the land of the unexpected. God's work in PNG is very promising. We were given a chance to present Live Christ, Share Christ to the Catholic Bishops' Conference of Papua New Guinea. From there, we were able to implement LCSC programs in almost 10 dioceses so far and counting. Isa sa remarkable na nangyari ay yung nakapagbigay tayo ng forum sa Divine Word University. We were given an opportunity to talk to the principal of that school and interviewed him on how the movement helped his students changed with regards to their lifestyle and behavior in their school. True enough, they needed to hear something that will affirm them of their worth, value, and importance. Sa mga ganitong klaseng misyon, ginagamit ka talaga ng Diyos bilang instrumento ng pagpapahayag ng pagmamahal niya. Sinful and unworthy as I am, hindi ko maisip na mangyayari at magiging posible ito. Na-realize ko din talaga na maraming uhaw sa pagmamahal ng Diyos, lalo na sa PNG. Marami pang tao doon na kailangan makarinig kung ano ang tama at makakita kung gaano kaganda ang plano ng Diyos sa mga buhay nila. When God calls, there are no regrets. There is no joy outside of knowing Jesus and serving Him.